was discussing about the theatre, Globe and Blackfriars. Globe Theatre was built near Stratford, the River Thomas. It was open area. So this theatre was running in summer, and for winter the Blackfriars, which is situated in England, was used. It is considered that this theatre was built for rich people because it was decorated and facilitated in all respect. You can watch out the theatre picture which is showing in laptop. This is the theatre picture of Globe Theatre. This is open area and these seats are for upper classes and these are middle classes. The people, common people and rural areas people standing in the ground. You can watch out it. The areas of theatre were represented through lines. This is the gallery, hut, wardrobe and storage, upholstery, doors. You can watch out it. This is so beautiful. Trapdoor, main stage, pit, gallery, discovery place, tiring rooms. White flag, you can watch out it. White flag represent that the play is going to be held in this theatre. When any play was going to be held in any theatre, the white flag was got. This is attractive pictures. You can look out. The people are standing there and actors are here. They are getting their performance. You can watch out the culture of that time. Look at a woman getting a fan in his hand. The gentleman having cap. It's looking so beautiful. And people were in relaxed mood. You know, these plays were performed during the days. It was 3 hours. It is a bonding stage. You can watch out it. This area for wealthy people who sit there and watch the play. Yes, I have already told you, young men dressed up to play the female role. That time, women were not allowed to give performance in the play, so men play roles of women. In the global theatre, drinking and eating were permitted in pit, which often became very noisy. If the spectator did not like the particular character or scene, he or she would feel free to hiss or boo or throw anything he or she might have on hand. Now, I will discuss about the plays of Shakespeare. Shakespeare has written 38 plays. Some of them are historical plays and some comedies. The later on are tragedy plays. I would like to watch out you the names of plays which I have written there. First of all, I would like to share my ideas of historical plays. Shakespeare wrote historical plays. These plays based on the characters of king, queens, prince and princess also. He wrote these plays on King Henry IV, 5, 7, King John, Richard I, Richard II, Richard III also. There are the parts of the play. Now, we come to the plays which were comedy written by Shakespeare. The first play which are very important and you can say prominent in the English literature were All's Well That Ends Well, As You Like It, Comedy of Errors, Value for Measure, Midsummer Night's Dream, Taming of the Shrew, Much Ado About Nothing, Twelfth Night, Merchant of Venus, as well as tragedy plays were concerned. So he started writing of tragedy plays that time when his father was died in 1601. That time Shakespeare started his tragedy plays writing. Julius Caesar, Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, Romeo and Juliet, King Lear, and other plays. These are the prominent plays and famous plays of Shakespeare. I have already told you that Shakespeare wrote 38 plays, in which 16 were comedy, historical, 10 were historical plays, and 12 were tragedies plays. After the death of Elizabeth, when James I became the king, company named was changed and this company started famous with the name of Kingsman. After doing the work in Globe Theatre, Shakespeare started working in Blackfriars Theatre also. He got partnership in this theatre and became a rich personality. She purchased new house in Stratford in his town. Sonnet. Shakespeare started write down sonnets and he wrote 154 sonnets. Sonnets is a form of poetry and it consists of 14 verses. The theme of sonnets was love, affection, sentiment, emotion. So, these sonnets were very attractive. People appreciated his work. I have already told you about the tragedy plays. He started this tragedy plays when his father was died. And in this way, Shakespeare completed his period of writing. It is said Shakespeare died in 1616. Later on, his two friends, whose name was Henry Condell and Chain, who got collection of his work in 1623, or the collection related to his plays. These two people were the friends of Shakespeare, and they have been working with Shakespeare as an actor in the theatres. So, they got collection, his work, assembled it, and then published it. That time when his work was published in the form of first folio. First folio means a booklet form, a book which has 2 pages. Page was printed. So that time Shakespeare was not famous, but later on in the 19th century people started reading and studying his work, so they started getting appreciate Shakespeare, and it is said the people of 19th century consider the greatest person of literature to Shakespeare. Some people said He is the greatest writer of English language because his vocabulary, his style, his walking, his characterization, his characters, and his plot is so strong. The imagery which he used in his plays, his poems, sonnets were very strong and attractive. In all these things, all these words which he has used, this shows his intellectuality and these words became him the great writer. Thank you very much. This is the first lecture which is considered introductory lecture about Shakespeare life. Now, next time we will discuss about plays and the style of play, the characters which he has used in his plays, and the imagery, vocabulary, verse arrangement, sentence structure, and style which he has used. We will discuss about it. In which style he has written his plays. If you have any question and you don't understand some topics, you can consult with me through writing your problems on Facebook and telephonically. I will give the answer of all your questions which are disturbing you. Thank you very much, students.